Ever wondered why your heart skips a beat for that special someone while others leave you cold? Welcome to the fascinating world of attraction, an intricate dance of emotions, biology, and psychology. Attraction, that inexplicable force that draws us towards certain individuals, is one of life's most captivating mysteries. Now imagine the universe of people as a grand kaleidoscope, each individual a vibrant piece, unique and distinct. Yet we often find ourselves magnetically drawn towards those who share our interests, our passions, our quirks. This is the Similarity-Attraction Effect at play, a theory suggesting that we are more likely to be attracted to those who resemble us. But it's not as straightforward as it seems. Underneath this seemingly simple concept lies a labyrinth of complexities. So, is attraction a mere game of mirrors, or is there more to this enigmatic phenomenon? What if the very way we perceive attraction is flawed, limiting our connections and creating unseen divisions? Curious to know more? Let's delve into the science behind why we fall for certain people. At the heart of attraction lies a concept known as the Similarity-Attraction Effect. Imagine a room full of people, all from different walks of life. Who would you be drawn to? The answer, quite simply, is those who mirror our interests, our passions, our worldviews. This, my friends, is the essence of the Similarity-Attraction Effect. It's like being drawn to your reflection in a mirror, not because of how you look, but because of what you love, what you believe, and how you perceive the world. Let's take a stroll down a hypothetical lane. Picture two individuals, both avid readers, both sharing a profound love for the written word. Their shared interest sparks a connection, a bond. Their conversations are filled with the shared joy of discussing their favorite authors, books they've read, and the impact these stories have had on them. This shared interest acts as a magnet, pulling them closer, creating a sense of camaraderie, of understanding. This is the Similarity-Attraction Effect in action. Now let's consider another scenario. Two individuals, one a lover of classical music, the other a rock and roll enthusiast. On the surface, their musical tastes seem worlds apart. But what if they both share a deep-seated love for the art of music, the emotions it evokes, the memories it stirs? This shared passion, this mutual understanding, acts as a bridge, connecting two seemingly dissimilar individuals. Again, we see the Similarity-Attraction Effect at play. This effect, this pull towards similarity, is a powerful driving force in our relationships. It guides us towards people who share our interests, our beliefs, our perceptions. It's why we feel a sense of comfort and familiarity in the presence of those who mirror our worldviews. But is this the full picture? Or is there more to attraction than meets the eye? Interestingly, our attraction to similarity may have deeper roots than we realize. Picture this: you're at a party, and across the room you spot someone wearing a t-shirt of your favorite band. Without even knowing them, you feel an instant connection. This is your core essence at work, a powerful belief that drives your likes and dislikes. Let's dive a little deeper. The core essence is not just about common interests. It's about the belief that if someone shares one characteristic with you, they must also share your broader worldview. It's like assuming that because you both love the same band, you also share the same values, perspectives, and maybe even the same sense of humor. There's an interesting story of two friends. Let's call them Tommy and Rachel. They met at a book club, bonded over their love for mysteries, and quickly became inseparable. They believed their similar taste in books was a reflection of a deeper connection, their core essence. But in reality, their personalities were vastly different. Tommy was an extrovert, always ready for an adventure, while Rachel was an introvert, preferring quiet evenings at home. Though their shared love for mysteries brought them together, their core essence was not as identical as they initially believed. This is the power of the core essence. It can draw us to people, create friendships, even relationships, based on shared characteristics. It can make us feel understood, connected, and less alone in the world. It's the spark that lights the flame of attraction. But what happens when we label certain attributes as essential or non-essential? Our core essence thinking can sometimes lead us astray. This statement may seem puzzling at first, but let's unravel it, shall we? Imagine you're at a party, and you find someone who shares your love for Italian cuisine. You instantly click, thinking, "This person gets me. They understand the joy of a well-cooked lasagna." This, my friends, is what we call self-essentialist reasoning. It's the belief that sharing one characteristic, such as a love for Italian food, means sharing a broader worldview. While it's comforting to find common ground, this kind of thinking can be flawed. It can lead to presumptions and assumptions about others based on a single shared trait. This is where the plot thickens. If we stick to this narrow view, we miss out on connecting with people who may not share our love for Italian cuisine, but have other fascinating aspects to their personalities. They might be avid travelers, talented musicians, or even secret superheroes. Who knows? For instance, let's consider the workplace. If we only connect with colleagues who share our work style or interests, we might exclude others who could bring fresh ideas and perspectives to the table. This could hamper innovation and growth in the long run. It's like eating only lasagna every day and missing out on the wide range of other delicious dishes out there. But the real catch here is that self-essentialist reasoning can be disrupted. By labeling traits as essential or non-essential, or reminding ourselves that using our core essence to judge others isn't always effective, we can broaden our horizons, we can venture beyond our comfort zones and build connections based on a deeper understanding of others. So the next time you find yourself making snap judgments about someone based on a shared interest or trait, remember, there's more to a person than meets the eye. So how can we better understand and navigate the complex world of attraction? The answer lies in rethinking our approach to attraction, which we'll delve into in the next scene. It's time to rethink attraction and open our hearts to the complexity of others. Now, we've been exploring the science of attraction, and it's clear there's a lot more to it than simply finding someone who shares our hobbies or favorite foods. Our attraction to others is influenced by a multitude of factors, many of which lie beneath the surface. These complexities can be challenging to navigate, but they also make our interactions with others incredibly rich and rewarding. We must remember that everyone has their own unique essence, a set of characteristics and experiences that make them who they are. When we allow ourselves to see beyond the superficial, we can connect with others on a deeper level. This means stepping outside our comfort zones, challenging our assumptions, and making an effort to understand others' perspectives. So let's not limit ourselves by focusing solely on similarities. Let's embrace the differences that make us unique and celebrate the diversity of human experience. After all, it's these differences that can lead to the most meaningful and rewarding connections. As we've seen, the science of attraction is a rich and fascinating field, full of surprises. Our journey into the science of attraction is just beginning. We've unraveled the Similarity-Attraction Effect, the notion that we gravitate towards those with shared interests, underpinned by our belief in a core essence. We've delved into the essence of attraction itself, discovering that our likes and dislikes may be more deeply rooted than we initially thought. But we've also uncovered the flaws in our thinking, acknowledging that our tendency to categorize people based on superficial similarities or differences can limit our connections and create unnecessary divisions. We've explored the need to rethink our understanding of attraction, to consider the complexity of others before making judgments. This journey has only scratched the surface. There's so much more to learn, to question, to understand about why we're drawn to certain individuals. And that's what makes this journey so exciting, so intriguing. Stay tuned and watch the next video on the screen for more fascinating relationship content. Until then, remember, love is more than just a feeling, it's a science.